Hey everybody, I'd like to give you a personal tour of my listing at 1825 Meadowview in Canton, Texas. Everybody says real estate's about location, and this house is located in a great subdivision right next to the school system. So here's downtown Canton. Let's go down Highway 243 a bit until we get over here by Canton High School. You see the school complex here. Let's switch to satellite. All right, here's Canton High School. Meadowview is a street that turns off Highway 243 here, and this is called the Deer Meadow Estates, I believe. It's a subdivision. Really cool thing about it is there is no HOA fee to live here, and you have this really great concrete road. This is my listing right here, 1825 Meadowview. And you see, like, there's a lot of nice houses. And this is a newer subdivision, so there's not really hardly any old homes around here. These are all new builds, and really a cool little clean neighborhood. And main thing is it's walking distance to the high school. So if you have anybody in school or you're a teacher or anything, it's right here in a great location next to our great Canton public schools. We're also, if you didn't know, we're also building a new high school and a new sports facility and everything here in Canton. So get excited for that. So anyway, that's where this house is. Let's look at some pictures. Here's the front, just a clean house. Yeah, you got a wide driveway. You could fit like 4 cars on this thing easily, maybe 5 if you had one right here. And then you have this 2-car garage. My client has Ring cameras, at her front door. She also has a camera right here on her garage. But yeah, great entry. Check out this, front door. It's just really pretty house. She bought this house. It was a new build when she bought it a couple of years ago, and she's the only one that's ever lived here. So really neat. It's a fresh. So this is your foyer. When you walk right in, you see this. You're seeing the part of the living room here with the fireplace. To your left here is you have the guest bedrooms and a guest bath. Here's some guest bedroom here. This is going to be in your front side of your house. Here's the guest bath. Look at the tile work in the shower. Look at the floor. And I love the countertops in these bathrooms. Here's your other guest bedroom. Here's your main open concept living area. I've been to some parties in this house. It's a great entertaining kitchen. Everybody stands around this island, and you have this dining area here, and with a door that accesses the back patio. So this house is laid out, has a great layout. Here, there's those doors I was telling you that go outside to the back patio here. The fireplace is stone. It's got a great looking mantle. It's a gas fireplace as well. People talk about fireplaces. Like if I'm in the city limits somewhere without like a bunch of property, I'm probably gonna want a gas fireplace just because it's easy and convenient. You don't have to bring the wood in or purchase wood. If I live out in the country, like at a ranch or something, and firewood is abundant and I can bring it in, I'd prefer a wood burning fireplace. But anyway, this is a great sized living room and good place for parties. Once again, I love when a build has obviously a kitchen island, but when there's this wood on the I guess the outside of your island, I think it's a nice touch. It looks really cool. These are great custom cabinets. Look at the cabinet work here. Lots of storage and stuff like that. Also a gas cooktop. You got a farm kitchen, a farm sink right there. This is your trash can. You get your farm sink and you get your dishwasher right there. This is looking into the master bedroom. So this is the master suite. So this is your master bedroom. Check out the vaulted ceilings and the wood floor. Man, everything about this house is really tasteful, really well done. My client has a lot of good style. She's decorated this house great. Um, you'll see the entrance to the master bathroom. I believe what sold everybody on this house, and what I like about it is the master bathroom. It's really cool. I love the doors, barn doors there. So here's your master bathroom. As you walk in, you've got vanity over here, a great tub, and on the right is your shower. Let me go back and check that out. Yeah, look at this tub. I mean, it's just a cool bathroom. And you walk through the restroom to the master closet, which is this, and you walk through that to get to your utility room. I like that layout. That way you don't have a far to travel for your when you wash your clothes. But there's also a mud room here, and you can lock this, but this connects like your kids and whoever else can bring their laundry from the other way to you. This door is going to go out to your garage. Here's a little office area. My client works from home, so she uses that office a lot. This is a patio. Great fence, great size yard. Even though you're in a subdivision and you're next door to these other houses, this has a lot of privacy. Check out, she's got a little fire pit there. Look at the perfect amount of space to play some football in the yard. Great patio. Like I said, I've been to more than one party over at this house, and it's a great place. There's some more pics of the yard. Back around this side, you've got another gate, but you got your gas tank for your gas cooktop and your fireplace back there. All right, 1825 Meadowview. A couple other things about this house is their vinyl sided windows, and this house is all spray foam insulation. So this house is very efficient. Electric bill, very small. Very efficient house. Well, like I said, my client bought this house brand new, so it's not very old, and it's on the market now. And the list price is $415,000. It's 1,920 square feet, and it's in a great location. So, anyway, call me anytime. 254-449-6721 if you want to get a private showing of this home. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.